look inside, it's got some real old stuff that is really hardened on. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to pre-treat it with some really safe biodegradable cleaner. We're cleaning out these guys' trash cans, gonna make them look brand new. My name's Vance, and this is my little brother Joe right here with me.
How's it going?
And you're gonna get a text the day before, and then I'm gonna show up and I'll come grab your trash can. You can either, if you leave it on the street, that's awesome for me, or just on the side of your house, whatever's easiest for you. And then just in case if you do have to put some trash in it, like this guy, he did put a couple bags in there, but as long as it's bagged, I'll pull it out and then I'll clean your trash can after for you. And then I'll just put the bags right back in. As long as it's bagged, I can get it taken care of for you. And then I'm gonna come up and grab your trash cans. I'll pre-treat them if they're real bad, and then I'll hook them up to my truck, and the machine does the rest. I'll show you real quick.
Feel something every time she kisses me. She got that touch I can't turn down.